To make this integration, I am using Bit Integration plugin. So let's go to my Bit Integration dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Everest Forms. Select a form. Next, search and select an action. Lemlist. Give here the API key. So please visit Lemlist API token. API. Generate new key. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose a campaign. Map the respective fields. Under the action, you can update Lemlist by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to the Everest Forms and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Lemlist site. Bit integration. And you can see the data came successfully in the Lemlist. Thanks for watching this video.